Okay, that's the second question, question A. We want to find the probability of x2 equals to 1. We just use the condition, the condition probability. So it equals to the probability when x2 equals the probability x1 equals to 0 intersect x2 equals to 1 plus the probability of x1 equals 1 intersect x2 equals 1. So use the condition probability, we can get that it equals to the probability when x1 equals to 0, x2 equals 1, multiple the probability of x1 equals 0, plus the probability when x1 equals to 1, x2 equals to 1, multiple the probability of x1 equals to 1. It equals to 0.2 multiple 0.4 plus 0.8 multiple 0.7. It equals to 0.64. Okay, the second question. We want to find the probability of x3 equals to 1. And we know the probability of x2 equals to 1 is 0.64, and so the probability of x2 equals to 0 equals to 0.336. So the probability of x3 equals to 1 equals to the probability of x2 equals 1 equals to 1 intersect x3 equals to 1 plus the probability of x2 equals to 0 intersect x3 equals to 1. It equals to, maybe we can use the same method, use condition probability to count the value. So let me show you guys. It equals to 0.4 multiple 0.36 plus 0.7 multiple 0.64. It equals to 0.592. So let me see the final question. Find the probability of when x3 equals to 1, x1 equals to 0. It just equals to the probability of x1 equals to 0 intersect x3 equals to 1 divide the probability of x3 equals to 1. And it equals to the probability of when x1 equals to 0, x3 equals to 1. Multiple the probability of x1 equals to 0, divide the probability of x3 equals to 1. Also, we use the condition function to count the probability of when x1 equals to 0, x3 equals to 1. We can get the formula that like this. So it's just a condition. It's just a condition probability. Maybe we can get the final result that the probability of when x1 equals to 0, x3 equals to 1 equals to the 0.4 multiple 0.6 plus 0.7 multiple 0.4 equals to 0.52. So the probability of when x3 equals to 1